It's the
Or I
record
can,
button. Cool.
oh, oh, and does it like make a new file after?
Yeah, what it does is once the Zoom call ends, it downloads it as a document and you can put it into the correct folder that you want to put it into.
Okay, because Joseph, can I share this with you? I've been working on the YouTube channel
Okay.
real quick. Can I show you real quick
Yeah.
before we dive in?
Hmm.
And I've been slowly building it, slowly building it.
There we go.
Got 131 subscribers, Joseph. Woohoo!
Sick.
Um,
Might need you for the thumbnail stuff and the editing of videos too.
bro, yeah, this thumbnail is nasty, nasty. But yeah, yeah. So if I could post like a little this, if that's cool with you, that'd be
Mhm.
awesome.
Yeah.
Cool, cool, cool. Okay, let's get back to your business. Let's get back to it.
All right. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
All right. So I think we were importing all the TSX files and they were all the same name, but different folders into Social Sky, I believe. And where's app.js? See, these are all the components we had. Because remember the folder management was suboptimal that we had, right? And then you wanted
Yeah,
to keep all the
we're
TSX.
we're cleaning it up, right? Was it?
We were in the middle of cleaning it up. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Can we pop over in your terminal into the Social Sky directory, the folder of it?
Yeah.
You can do Control C or Command C to close that or cancel the server.
Okay.
CD dot dot.
Yep. Back back out. And
Yes,
we're back.
sir. Yes, sir.
Back.
CD. Let's pop into the Social Sky, CD Social Sky. Nice, and try npm run dev. Let's see if we get our application up and running. So run dev is just the same thing as run start for next applications.
Okay.
Let's check out the browser, see if the application ran. We have some invalid argument here. Let's see what the error is.
Yep.
Oh, the router stuff. Okay, cool. So we don't need router stuff anymore. And
Page.tsx.
yeah, yeah, because how Next handles everything is it actually has routes predefined. So all those do you see in the app folder to the left real quick? Do you see how it's like dashboard, our homepage directory, all that, the prompt page, sign up page? Those are our routes. Next handles all of that for us.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
So we no longer have to import the route. We can delete all that stuff. You can delete the routes. We could
Oh, the
pull
mouse
out,
and the router? All
yeah,
this
it's like
stuff?
all of that stuff actually. All we need,
All
let's
this?
see. So let's delete 25 to 29 and get that all out. You don't need to define the routes anymore. There, let's go up some more. Let's see what else we're
Hang on, let
uh,
me go back here. Okay. Yeah, so we just need to delete these ones.
yeah. Well, anything that's here, maybe I can give you a default page. And actually, is this a page or is this oh, this is just our index. This is our landing page, right?
Yep.
The base demo, all that stuff. So line 13 through wherever that ends, that div is at 24. Yeah, pull that out. Let's keep all that. So pop that on like line 6. You can just delete everything from there down. So keep that. Yeah,
And then delete this.
delete the rest of that. And then I think we just need to import those elements.
And we just have to import tweetbot header and I thought we have
Yeah.
these,
So
right?
so those are going to be our pages, and our pages are going to be made up of components, all like
Mhm.
the base demo, the base button, all that stuff. Those are all of our yeah. So let's just pop those in. Um, let's see, base create button, base demo,
I don't know why it's not.
auto populating. Yeah, let's see. But you do have the import above you, so if you just copy the line down from above
Yeah,
you,
and then you
it
just change
just
the component names.
yeah, exactly.
And what was it again? Control Shift or Shift down?
Shift
Yeah.
option down. Boom. Yep. Hey, yeah, just literally copy and paste like line 16. Pop in. Um, do you see like line 18? How it says base demo video with the red underline?
Hang on, let me get rid of this one. Or is it line 18?
Yeah, line 8. You could just grab one of those. Like, yeah, just double click, grab, copy it. Just pop up to there. Yep, paste. You hit command, and then you got to do it on the component route as well. So do you see
Oh,
where
here.
it's importing?
Yeah.
Um, so try line 3. Yep. So base demo.
Oh, I
No.
see.
Like on line 3, they need to be the same import. So import base create button needs to also be from components create button, and then similar thing for base demo video
Yeah,
needs
it's
to
this
come
one right here.
from yeah.
Or demo video text, right?
No, it looks like you have two. So we have base demo video.
Mm-hmm.
So online, let me type it to you.
Two.
Line 3, because I think you're gonna need all of them, right?
Yep.
Import base demo video. Oh, I see. I see. My fault. I see. Create button's not a thing. I see that you need.
Yeah, I was gonna do base demo video here and
My
then
fault.
demo video text. Tweet bot header, right? Yep.
Just make sure to get the tag at the end as well. So
You mean like this right here?
yeah, the path name. That's
But
what I
yeah, the
meant to
path
say.
name.
Yeah,
This one
perfect,
is
perfect, nice.
video text. This one is tweet bot. And then home page. Pocket button.
And then homepage, is that a component or is that
And what
so
is this the tailwind?
so it looks like our component-based demo video doesn't have the ability to receive class name as a prop. Like we can't define it the same way we could in React or like Vue. So we'll have to build a custom thing for it. But let's just pull that out real quick. So class name, do you have height 1/2 width full? You can just
Mhm.
pull that out of the actual component,
Yep. I'm gonna put
and
that in a separate folder.
you could either put it inside the component or you could just wrap the component with a div and just put it in the div around the component. So you could do either or, but it looks like we have our styling here. So let's just do it on the page. Just wrap base demo video with a div on top and a div below.
And then put the class name in that parent div.
Uh, yeah. Your class name.
Ah,
And the class name I remember it as height 1/2 and width full. Is your H-12. Yep, same thing. Nice.
and then save
And
this one.
boom, that should do it. Yes, sir. Same deal. And to move stuff with your keyboard instead of copy and pasting, when your cursor's on the same line as it, try this out. You can hold Option and then hit down and up, and it should drag your
Option down and up. Okay, gotcha.
yeah, like just to speed you up a bit. Um, and let's see, what's the error that we have on the DOM? Is one of our imports still missing?
Let's see. On the DOM?
Oh, it looks like our homepage.
Yeah. I didn't see that here though.
Let's delete lines 7 through 10 and comment out 5 and 6 real quick. Let's just or at least the line that has the just comment that out. Let's just get the application kind of back up and running for a sec. Okay. And what's the error? We have a use state component. Looks like it's going to be the parent is calling from server and we need to use client. So maybe I can have a just bird's eye conversation again with you about the client is that's like our computer, right? Like our so like you typing on your desktop, you're the client, right? Like me
Yep.
looking at this monitor here, this is the client side. And then there's a server that's producing all that information that's sending it to the client.
Yep.
And that server would be the server side. And the key with Next.js, the thing that makes it so powerful is you have ability to have server side components versus like in React, it's all client side. Like this isn't something that we've talked about before. This wasn't something that we learned in the previous course with Christian
Mhm.
and stuff. Everything like all the state was all client side. So client,
Okay.
does that kind of make sense?
Right. And you're
You,
saying so React is just client side, but Vue and the other ones are client and server side together. They can do both.
yeah, so like a database, for instance, like with backend engineering stuff that you're doing is like that's like the like behind the client, right?
Yep.
All
That makes
all
sense.
all state is Joseph is just data on the client's computer, on
Client
my
side.
computer, on your
Yep.
computer.
Yep.
All
It's
the
just
backend
managing
is
client
just
side state.
exactly. That's all state is. It's just data that is on your end, and all the databases is just data that's stored on a server somewhere.
I see. I see. Okay.
Um, so I only say that just to preface like errors like this and stuff. Now, if we talk about the framework, this specific error is saying, hey, we're using use state in a non-client component. So our login button, if we go to that login button now, we just have
Okay.
to simply just say use client at the top of the screen. So what you can do on line 5 is I was copy them and then paste it into if you hit Command P,
Command P.
it'll pull up your search bar and you can just type in login button, or if you just copy the component you need, and boom, you can easily find it and right there. So you can click that, and this is where we need to handle it. So at the very top of the file above imports, you want to put in like make some room, like give us some space. Yeah, perfect. And then do quotes and say use client.
And we're gonna do the
Two words, forgive me, 2 words. I'm sorry, go ahead. We're
case.
gonna do the make sure to save and maybe refresh. Looks like we're gonna have another tweetbot header. We got to do the same thing.
We're gonna use it for okay. Which one did it say? What component? Let's see. Tweet.
Uh,
Yep.
Tweetbot header. Nice. And then we just need to clean up use navigate from
Login button.
and so this can feel like a lot of work right now, Joseph, because it's like why we had the thing running, why are we doing all of this? But it'll make sense in the long term. But we can delete that, I guess, and
Okay. So what do you have to do with the use navigate? So it's saying here can't resolve this module not found.
So
React.
so this sign up button too, it was kind of we're ultimately going to use clerk for authentication and using the sign up button. So we can actually kind of we can get rid of line 3, use navigate, React Router DOM, because that's not part of Next.js anymore. And
Yeah.
we can just let's see, and then line 6, we don't need that const navigate, use navigate anymore. And then we can delete that on line 6, that line.
Okay.
And then with line 7, where it says on click, we can navigate to this and all these locations.
Dashboard sign up. Yeah. And this is
We're
a turn.
we're all yeah. This is a ternary to say either go to the sign up page or the dashboard page. We're ultimately going to use clerk for all this, but for right now, we can actually just change this to a link. So if you say import, I believe it's next link. Let's see, import next, or excuse me, it's import link from next slash link, like this. Boom. And that is going to be basically your on click button. So
Hmm.
let me build it out.
And what is this? Where does this next link come from? Is that just a package that is already in React? Like what's the story behind the next link?
Yeah, so it's already part of this framework. It comes from Next, and it's you know like A tags, like your href, where it's like, hey, click on this href, you can go to here.
Yeah.
Do those sound familiar?
Yeah, I remember the H.
Um,
Yep.
so you're going to take the next link. I'm typing it out for you real quick,
hmm
and you're gonna do this. I'm gonna put this in. This is gonna be um, all your stuff goes here. Boom. So this is going to be that div on line 7 through 9. Instead of it being a div with an on-click function, you should change it to this link. In the href, instead of it being your navigate, do you see what's in the navigate parentheses where the text val starts?
Oh, so it goes in the just you could just copy the link component essentially. So instead of let me see, instead of the href text file, we could just do okay, so instead of
So
this,
yeah, steal all that.
right?
That's going to go in the link component where the href is.
Okay, but it's still within this navigate.
No,
Um,
no, like we don't need that navigate anymore. We're gonna
oh, I see.
does that kind of make sense? That I yeah, exactly. I think
You want
you're
to put text val, put all of this like this.
well, I guess let's and
Okay.
that's going to be in an href. But do you see how
Oh,
you have that posted in a div? You can delete lines 7 and 9, the closing bracket to that div, and you can also delete line 13.
yeah, and then the actual div here. All right,
Yep,
so
yep.
that component becomes live here. And why
And
does the closing tag have a red flag underneath it? Do
so
you
so this needs to all be in an href. This href attribute needs to be in the next link. So it should, yeah, exactly. In quotes, the whole href I think needs to be either in quotes or parentheses. Um, it try parentheses around all of that instead of the two quotes. So it'd be what was it before? You had text val equals equals. We still need that part. Um, let me type it up for you. I think sign up here. And to sign up or slash dashboard. I think that's what your href should look like roughly.
Text val. Okay, so you're gonna put it in parentheses. Okay. Yep. I remember the hrefs though. That helps with like the router essentially. Like
Exactly. Like those A tags we used to use. So it either needs to be and that needs to all wrap around the button. So you could put the closing link tag under the last button. Perfect. Perfect.
Why is it doing that? Hang on, sorry.
You're okay.
Button in there. And then we're gonna put the href right inside the first link tag, I think, right? Oh, yeah, pull that from chat one more time.
And I think it's actually going to be curlies, like instead of
Okay.
parentheses. I think it's going to be curlies that we need around all that text val equals sign up. Nice. And what's this all? Text val equals sign up. Maybe just replace those with double quotes instead of all that. I don't know why it's thrown. Do you mind copying that and sending it over to me? That line 7 through 11.
Yeah, let me
Real
see.
quick.
We have Mr. GPT
Yep,
reconfig.
that's exactly what I was just gonna throw it in real quick.
And that's the best thing about ChatGPT. I think like you can't rely on it to understand concepts, but you can rely on it to help you
Yeah,
syntax.
just like fix quick syntax. Can you fix this? Can you fix? Boom. Unless you have it on your end. I think what did it say? Boom, we need this. Okay. Says ChatGPT says I think that'll work.
Okay.
Does it tell us how much time we have left with the recording? Do you know on Zoom?
It's still recording, I think.
Yeah, it says it's still recording, but does it say like 10 minutes left or something or no?
Oh, it'll let you know. Yeah,
Okay.
so let's
Okay.
it's on actually for link tag.
Oh, it literally just popped up. Running out of time, question mark. 10 minutes left.
Okay.
How ironic. Okay, let's see our next error. Homepage is not defined, and that's
Oh,
going to be, so we handled that error. Good job on that. Reconfiguring that. Let's go back to our page.tsx and let's just comment out a homepage real quick.
yeah, let's
In
comment.
the,
I don't think it's imported. Oh yeah.
because this should actually be our homepage technically right here. So
Oh,
boom,
there it is.
looks like we're may need some configurations, but we're roughly getting back together with it. So
Whoa.
oh sweet. So clerk is working. Perfect.
Yeah, we set that up before, I think, right?
Uh-huh.
Nice.
So we can
Love
continue
that.
with Google. You want to try that? Oh, and was that the login button? Did that work too?
Oh, look at
Nice.
that. Beauty.
Dude, beautiful. Um, oh, and with these live calls, do not show your .env. Let's not do that on the live call.
Yeah, that wouldn't be good. We have to take it off.
Yeah, yeah. Um, but so
Use
let's uh,
Castle.
let's let's sign up and continue with Google. And the reason why I asked is because in the .env, I know that's where we're handling some of the routing, where we push to dashboard page or this page.
Right.
Yeah, so this was exactly what I was going to say to edit in the .env, but I don't think it's a good idea to show that on the thing while we're recording. So
Yeah, don't do that.
so do you see your local host? Do you see how it changed to /dashboard?
Yep.
at the top, and it's saying 404 page is not found because we don't have a slash dashboard. But what we do have, if you look to your left in the app, we have dashboard page. So
That's what the route has to be.
so the route has to match that. So we can either rename dashboard page to say dashboard,
Dashboard.
or we can change how clerk does stuff at the environment. But you can just change the folder name, and that should handle it.
Dashboard all lowercase, like here, or
Yeah,
is it
just like how it's there. So not in the file, but the
okay?
folder to the left. To the left. Do you see how under app it says dashboard page? That's literally going to be the name of the route. So let's
Mm.
try that. Refresh. Boom. Dashboard page.
I see. Okay, and if you notice, we're using page.tsx for all of them, but these aren't just folders. These are also the route names.
Exactly. And
Okay.
that's what makes it so powerful.
That's what makes TSX more powerful is you don't have to instigate or install all of these routes into your app.jss file when everything's said and done. The literal files, the folders
We
are
already
all
have it
themselves. Okay,
in next.
that's cool.
Yeah. Next already has it. So it makes navigation and routing. It's weird to learn at first. It's like, oh, like I don't know how this works, but then it's really powerful.
Okay.
So now you literally have an authentication screen where you could
Process.
log in to your application and boom. So
That's awesome, dude. Do you think this is a good place to stop? I know you said you wanted to go to bed early.
yeah, I think so.
Cool.
Joseph, that was perfect.
Put
Let
a
me at
cap on the
least
recording
put a
and
cap on the
send that to me as well. And yeah.